Hey everyone, do your notes look like a mess? Are they scattered across a dozen different apps, sticky notes, and random documents? You have great ideas, but they're all disconnected? What if you could build a second brain, a place where your thoughts connect and grow over time? Today, I'm going to show you how you can do just that in about 5 minutes using an amazing free app called Obsidian. So, first of all, what is Obsidian? Think of it less like a simple notes app and more like your own personal wiki. The most important thing to know is that all your notes are stored locally on your computer. They are just simple text files. This means your data is private, fast, and yours forever. The first step is to go and head over to obsidian.ng website, official website, and then you will download Obsidian and install it into your local machine. If you have a Windows machine, you would click here, else you would click here and then download depending on your operation system. So when you first open Obsidian, it will prompt you to create something they call a vault. You shouldn't let the name intimidate you. It's just a fancy word for the main folder on your computer where all of your notes will live. So I already have a vault here. I will not configure that, but you go ahead and configure it and name it, etc. This is the interface for Obsidian. Now, what I want to do is I will click a new note. So I will create it here. And then, by the way, you can either do Control plus N, or if you're on Windows or if you're on a Mac, you will click Command plus N. I'll change the title to Coffee. And here you have it. This is a note. So I can click on it here and the note is displayed. So now we can just start writing. Obsidian, by the way, uses something that is called Markdown. It's a formatting language. It sounds technical, but trust me, it's not. It's super easy. Watch this, okay? Let's take this example. For example, I want to write a heading, okay? A title, The Art of Coffee. In Markdown, you would start with a hashtag. So this is a title. Then you would type The Art of Coffee and press enter. Now this is a title, okay, or a heading. So let's say we wanted to create a bold text. Let's get this phrase, coffee is absolutely essential. As you can see, if you want to make absolutely essential bold, you would add these two stars from here and from here, press enter, and there you have it. You probably can't see it very clearly now, but absolutely essential is bolder than the other text. Let's say you want now to create an italic text, okay? You would wanna instead of two stars or asteroids like here, you would wanna use only one asteroid. For example, this test, okay? Test. As you can see, it's in italic. So let's just paste this phrase here. I prefer an oat milk latte. Oat milk is um, Italian. Italics, sorry. For bullet points, very simple. You would just use a dash and it will automatically get converted to a bullet point. So let's take this example, espresso, pour over, and French press. Let's take this lesson example. It's just writing. Um, there are just some few simple symbols to keep things organized, and you don't have to click on any formatting buttons. Alright, so that's the thing. It's very simple. Now let's see the magic of Obsidian. It's all about connecting your different notes and connecting your ideas. In my note about coffee, as you can see, I mentioned this pour over here. What if I wanted to create a dedicated note just for the pour over thing? What I can do is very simple. I can go here, I will make a first bracket, then a second bracket, and then I'll close the brackets at the end with a closing bracket and another one. As you can see, Obsidian automatically converts this to a new note. If I click on it, it will redirect me to this new note. It's, as you can see, created just now at 17:57. So this is the magic of Obsidian. So um, let's just add a quick, or before this, let's see how the pour over, or let's say if we're in pour over, how do we know that this is connected to coffee? So what you would want to do is go here to these three dots, click on them, and then select this backlinks in documents. This basically will let you see what other nodes are linked and connected to this node. As you can see here, this coffee node has a mention of this node. So if we click on coffee, you can see that it automatically redirects us to there, and we can see that here is pour over. In pour over, of course, you can add whatever text you want. It's a simple note, and it's very easy, very simple, etc. So as you can see, this is the basic usage of Obsidian. There's a feature in Obsidian that's very interesting. It's called graph view. So as your network grows, you can visualize your nodes in a graph. So go here in this sidebar, you can see this open graph view. When we select it, you can simply see that coffee and pour over are connected. This is a very simple example. When you have a large network, it will get complicated, and without a graph, you will definitely get frustrated, etc. And Obsidian definitely makes this a beautiful map of your brain. One last thing, so Obsidian is incredibly customizable with plugins. You can add calendars, to-do lists, diagrams, anything you can imagine, and you can make it perfectly yours. So you can just go to settings, and then there's community plugins, turn it on, and then just search for plugins, etc., and download them. So that's it, guys. It's in just a few minutes you've learned how to create a vault, write and format notes, and most importantly, how to connect your ideas using links. If you want my advice, don't get overwhelmed. Just start, download Obsidian, create a vault, write one single note about something you learned today, then link one word in that note. That's all it takes to start building your second brain. If this video was helpful, please like it, subscribe to the channel. You can, of course, donate a coffee to me. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching and happy note taking.